Hello, friends. Today we will discuss stunning jewelry, crochet jewelry. Crochet is a versatile and creative craft that can be used to create beautiful pieces of jewelry. Stunning crochet jewelry is a unique and stylish way to add a touch of creativity and individuality to your wardrobe. Whether you are looking for a statement piece or something more subtle, crochet jewelry can be customized to fit your style. One of the benefits of crochet jewelry is that it can be made in a variety of material. Crochet thread, yarn, and wire can all be used to create beautiful pieces. Crochet thread is a popular choice for delicate jewelry such as earrings and bracelets. Yarn can be used to create chunky necklaces and statement pieces. And wire can be used to create intricate and detailed pieces. The possibility for crochet jewelry are endless. Some of the most popular design include crochet necklace, bracelet, earrings, and rings. Crochet necklace can be made in a variety of style, from simple chain to intricate pattern. Crochet bracelet can be made in different width and designs such as bangles, cuffs, and bracelet. Crochet earrings can be made in various shapes and sizes, including stud, hoops, and a dangly earring. Crochet ring can be made in a variety of styles from simple bands to statement pieces. One of the unique feature of crochet jewelry is the ability to add embellishment. Beads, pearls, and other material can be added to crochet pieces to create texture and depth. The combination of crochet and beading can result in stunning and intricate design. This allows you to create jewelry that is truly one of a kind and unique to your personal style. So, crochet jewelry is also a great way to recycle and repurpose materials. Old t-shirts, fabric, scrap, and even plastic bag can be repurposed into beautiful crochet jewelry. Not only save money but also reduce waste and is an eco-friendly alternative to buying new jewelry. In addition to being beautiful and unique, crochet jewelry is also lightweight and comfortable to wear. This makes it a great choice for everyday wear as well as special occasion. Crochet jewelry is also easy to care for and can be washed and dried at home. So, in conclusion, stunning crochet jewelry is a beautiful and unique way to add creativity and individuality to your wardrobe with endless possibilities for design and material. Crochet jewelry also allow you to create pieces that are truly one of a kind. The ability to add embellishment and repurpose material make crochet jewelry an eco-friendly alternative to buying new jewelry. Whether you are looking for a statement piece or something more subtle, crochet jewelry can be customized to fit your personal style. Guys, if you like our ideas, kindly hit the like button and subscribe our channel.